If you're dealing with an ant invasion in your home and looking for a natural solution, all you need is a tablespoon of ground coffee, as its intense aroma is key to repelling ants. Then, add fresh mint leaves, known for their strong odor that is unpleasant to these insects. Next, chop a few pieces of garlic, another natural ingredient with repellent properties. Carefully wrap the ingredients in aluminum foil, forming a small pouch, but be sure to leave the top slightly open or poke a few small holes in it with the tip of a knife. These holes will allow the aromas to be released gradually, creating an olfactory barrier that ants won't be able to tolerate. Place the aluminum foil pouch in the areas where you've noticed the most ant activity. By interfering with their ability to detect attractive odors, within hours, the ants will be forced to find another place to settle.